Right. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the UK live. It is 2:30 now, 2:30 AM Eastern. Uh, and kindly excuse me for not being very active since the last 12 hours or so on the Telegram, as well as in posting individual wave count videos. I've just got up with mild fever overnight. So I'll be taking only the live sessions today. Kindly excuse me for the individual wave counts. I will continue from Monday onwards. All right, so let's continue doing what we have been doing since the last 2 months. Uh, there will be no change on the trade setups or anything else. Whatever happens is for good. Good luck to all my brothers over there, and let's get started on a couple of chart analysis. I mean, three of them I want to touch base with: the Euro USD, uh, GBP USD, dollar index, and gold. I think we'll be touching base on these four instruments from here on. Opportunities are both sides, and let's look into what is possible now. This session will continue for about less than 10 minutes. We'll be keeping each session within the 10-minute time frame. If you have been there with me since the last few trading days, we have been keeping the ending diagonal wave count. The ending diagonal does not have this line. This is just the trend line that I've made, but believe it or not, we should see some kind of bottom formation in the euro just around the 1900 mark, or maybe just below that. That would give us good enough leverage to understand that wave 4 has ended within the diagonal structure somewhere here, all right, or below the 1900 mark. It could be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and another 535. Wave 4 should begin to push higher towards the fifth wave that should go, and at this point in time the trend line is cutting it at 2112. Maybe a bit later, after about 15th of January or so, it will be around 2120 levels. It remains to be seen how much time it's going to take. All right, so this is what is the best wave count looking for now until prices break below the proposed trend line around the 1875 mark, or precisely below that. That is the past resistance becoming future support, but 1718, which if that is broken, that means Euro USD is looking to do something else, and we need to change the wave counts. Alright, so for now there is no change in the trading point of view. We went short yesterday around 2015 over there. Took profits 35-40 points. We are flat in the euro right now, looking for one more low to get printed below the 1914 mark, just around the 1900 level. Watch out for a drop around the 1900 levels, and we should be good to go long over there. All right. Wait for the trade signal updates on your Telegram channels. By any chance, if you are not yet subscribed to the Open for All Telegram channel, you might want to do so. And regarding the issue, that's not an issue for me anymore. It's everything happens with a purpose and reason. I want to continue, would like to continue, but I will find out another solution, practical solution, very soon for the Telegram channel. YouTube is going to be like this forever. That is my promise. All right, sir. And I've been getting good comments and replies on the chart setups there. It's very interesting to know that people are reading them, and they're also asking. I'm doing my best to reply into my capacity, and keep doing so. Keep sending in your uh, queries or suggestions or questions, all of them, and it really means a lot to me. I'll be getting back to you at the best of my capacity at the earliest of time. All right. And good to see new family members being joined there. A humble welcome to all of you, brothers and sisters. Do feel free to write to me at Japee@yahoo.com anytime for any query that you have. All right. Let's touch base with pound now. Pound is slowly but gradually moving towards lower levels now, breaking 35 handled. So in continuation with what we discussed last time, 3300 should be under purview any moment now. This is what is expected. If you simply, I don't need to do anything else. We have discussed this time and again. Just the Fibonacci extension and the trend line, a short-term trend line. This is what is the third wave expected, where the third wave should terminate, and things are moving or just beginning to move on the expected lines now. If I do draw a short-term immediate trend line, I think even that is coming very close to where prices are trading right now. Yes, a break below that trend line brings it again into the sell zone of the immediate support trend line, giving it enough room to push further lower. Watch out for 3300. We are short from 3450. We don't intend to take profits completely around the 3300 mark for the positional traders. I repeat, positional traders have got nothing to do in terms of profit booking or profit taking levels unless you see prices breaking around the 2800 handle, where it is. Here it is, 2800 handle, and then 26. So 28, 26 and 1.2 should be where the positional traders will be taking some profits off the desk. But for short-term traders, yes, trading point of view, for short-term traders, do consider taking some profits off at the 3300 handle. All right. We got to believe now, and with each passing day and session, the 3660 resistance is proving quite a bit for the bulls to break through. You should be having a stop loss above 36 50 60 levels. As a general declaration, what we are doing here is just due to passion and technical analysis. It should not be taken as a personal recommendation to trade or to take positions with. Do consider your personal analysis or financial status before you apply this informed decision on your live trading accounts, brothers. Trading is all about risk management. Also, take care that you're managing your risk properly with about 1 to 2% of risk per trade. Okay, gold, as expected, it has now printed a new high at 1327, right around the New York live, or just before the New York live yesterday. The movement was, if it is 5 waves, it's not very clear on the hourly chart. If it's, we can at least count 3, 1, 2, 3. But if there was an internal wave 4, then it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if it is 5, then gold is done. And what it means is let's do an extension hypothetically. What it means that the first stop for the yellow metal should be somewhere around the 13.5 region. All right, and a break below that should bring it towards 1292 going forward. So on a 4-hour chart, what the structure what we are seeing is could be an A, B and C if it is already done, or we've got an A and then we are heading towards B. So we'll be watching closely. I'll be placing a wave count separately for gold, but we'll be watching closely towards the 1292 mark. All right, and if it has not yet done 5 waves, then I've kept one more option to sell the remaining 50% just above the 1327 mark. If you have just joined by any means, what we are expecting in gold at a higher degree is that a triangle formation. There we are extending about 11 minutes now, just a few seconds, brothers. That's the resistance line, and prices should remain below that. Now it remains to be seen that we are done A, B, C, D and E. Is it complete? If it is complete, well, we're going to see some firecrackers in the next few weeks actually.